Hello guys, this is Slobodan from marketingwithslobodan.com and this is my MagickFunnels review. As you can see, I'm inside the dashboard of MagickFunnels. In the nutshell, it's a cloud-based software that allows you to create landing pages where you will collecting leads and offering some lead magnet. After you offer a lead magnet, you will give your visitors offer to go through some affiliate offers on done for you. Many of the funnels are done for you. Here is 14 of done for you funnels, which we'll get later. If you want to access this dashboard, you need to go on the link down below on this video and you will land on this page. This is my bonus page where I showed you some additional informations about the product and created some exclusive bonuses for buyers who decide to buy via my link. And it's important to know that my bonuses are valid until the timer hits 0. Here is additional information which I'll talk to. Here is the price of the MagickFunnels. This is a launching price and it will increase by the time go on. Here is some information about what MagickFunnels does, and here is some upgrades. Just I wanted you to know that many of affiliates will give you only the upsell price. I'm offering you with downsell prices for various upgrades. As for bonuses, my bonus number 1 is how to get Instagram traffic without a single follower. This is one of the courses from John Armstrong, which I purchased license rights so I can give you for free. As for bonus number 2, you will learn how to write your own headlines that made sales. As for bonus number 3, also John Armstrong's training about from 0 to 100 in 24 hours. I've gone through this course by myself and I'm using his strategies since. And another course, how to get cheap traffic from Bing ads. As for bonus number 5, this is the bonuses which is vendor give me to give to you. Many of the affiliates will give you only these bonuses, but I'm offering you much more. To purchase this product, all you need to do is to click on any of these buttons, and then you will land to the sales page. As the sales page says, groundbreaking one-click app creates automated funnels, gets you instant buyer traffic in less than 60 seconds. That's basically true because you will be collecting leads for your autoresponder and for your emails and offering additional affiliate offers for commissions. You can check out this sales page at your own time. Here is some case studies for their high converting funnels, and also this is Glynn Kosky's product. I'm a really big fan of his work and many of his softwares I'm using myself. You can check it later out, the whole sales page. Here is a ton of information you should be aware of. As as for dashboard, we are back on dashboard. You can see all the training inside of the members area on how to use this software properly. Let's give it a second to propagate. Some videos how to connect your autoresponder and get affiliate links, etc. As for autoresponders, excuse me, you can see here various of autoresponders you can connect and create your own accounts inside of MagickFunnels. Also, you can, after you done that, you create your own affiliate products. As you can see, basically add new product, add product name, description, image, affiliate link, and button text. I will explain button text later. And you get access to 14 high converting funnels by the vendor. As you can see, affiliate, Cinderella solution, Flatberry fix, etc., etc. You can check it also later. I will not waste any more time on that. I will show you how to edit it. So, for Cinderella solution, for example, you can see opt-in page here. Go to settings, and you can choose autoresponder from autoresponders here, or you can add raw HTML form from your sign up form from autoresponder. Here is bottom text. Here you insert your affiliate link from various affiliate networks. This is example for ClickBank. Here is some call to action, download pages text. I'll show you that later. And here is you can choose the bonus you want to offer with your sign up page. Let's leave how that was, and you can here select the product affiliate products which you want to promote after the sign up page. That's it for now. I will show you how that looks like after you've done everything. This is opt-in page, promo page, download page. Opt-in page, here is how it looks, and this will be your form after they sign up. After they sign up, they will get to your mailing list, and after that they will be redirected here, and you will send them email with this info. Here they can download your lead magnet, and this is the button which redirects them to the affiliate offer. That's it for this review, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. That's it for now. Only missing here is traffic, which I'm dealing you with my bonuses. So we will see you on the next one. I wish you all the best, and I wish you all the happiness, and stay safe. Bye.